Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full, no-nonsense review of the 2026 Ford Explorer. If you're considering upgrading your SUV or just want to know what's new this year, stick around, this one's packed with everything you need to know. The 2026 Explorer rolls in with a refreshed, more assertive look. The front end has been redesigned with a sharper grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a sleeker overall shape that gives it a more modern, upscale presence. It doesn't just look better, the design is more aerodynamic, which means a quieter cabin and better efficiency on the road. When it comes to performance, you've got options. The base model features a 2.3-liter turbocharged engine that gives you strong everyday power without being too thirsty at the pump. If you need more muscle, there's a more powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 that offers impressive acceleration and towing ability, ideal for bigger families or road trip lovers. There's also a hybrid version that balances performance and efficiency really well, making it a smart choice if fuel economy is a priority. The standard 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and whether you go for rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the Explorer handles confidently. Step inside, and you'll notice major upgrades. The interior feels more refined, with better materials and a cleaner design. Right in the center is a huge 13.2-inch touchscreen loaded with Ford's latest infotainment system. It's faster, more responsive, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster and available head-up display make it feel futuristic but still easy to use. Comfort features are top-notch too. Heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a high-end sound system really take things to the next level. Space is still a strong point. The Explorer comfortably seats 7, with lots of room in all 3 rows. The second row now has easier access to the third thanks to an improved slide and tilt feature, and cargo space is generous, whether you're hauling luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Fold the seats down, and it transforms into a serious hauler. On the safety side, this SUV comes fully loaded. You get all the must-haves like automatic emergency braking, blind spot alerts, and lane keeping, but the tech has been upgraded for 2026. There's better lane centering, smarter adaptive cruise control, and even a system that helps you navigate intersections more safely. Parking and low-speed maneuvering are easier too, thanks to a clearer 360-degree camera system. Driving it feels solid and balanced. Even with its size, the Explorer feels nimble in traffic and stable on the highway. Steering is sharp, the ride is smooth, and it handles curves better than you'd expect from a 3-row SUV. Whether you're commuting or heading out for a family road trip, it's a confident, comfortable drive. All in all, the 2026 Ford Explorer brings real improvements in design, tech, performance, and comfort. It's a smart, capable SUV that delivers on all fronts without trying too hard to be flashy. If you're looking for a vehicle that balances style, space, and practicality, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this review, drop a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest car reviews every week. See you next time.